So I recently shifted to Bangalore, and after doing lot of house hunting, going to multiple websites which is for real, I'm going to talk about my experience which I faced and how I came across Ghar which actually solved all my problems. So I went to multiple brokers and they showed me different kind of PGs and different kind of flat. So all those flat which I have seen either lift nahi hai, or they have bad food, or they have bad like mattress, कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ है. But luckily one day I was scrolling through Instagram and I came across this profile which is known as Ghar Pe. So I went to their website, I checked, there were like multiple PGs option were there which was looking really good, pictures and video mein. So I thought ki let's just give a try. At first I was a little bit skeptical about it, but then turned out that this is one of the best decision of my life to choose Ghar Pe over anything. And I'm going to make sure that you guys don't go through that struggle which I went. One more thing, we have PGs available for boys, girls and co-living. Whether you're a student or working professional, we have PGs for everyone all over Bangalore, whether in Koramangala, Yashwantpur, Whitefield, HSR, Bellandur, everywhere. And this video is especially for the people, those who have taken admission in Christ University. If you're looking for a PG which is just 2 minutes walking distance, then watch this video till the end. Ghar Pe not only offers you a place to stay, but they also offer you a complete peace of mind. Let's check this property. So the property I'm going to show you right now is Girls PG, and if you like this PG, don't forget to WhatsApp or call us in this giving number and we will share all the details that you need. Girlies, as soon as I enter, you can see my reaction was like wow, because I just love how beautiful this looks. The interior and everything is well thought and well designed. This beautiful light over here giving a very aesthetic and a premium look to the reception area. Here is a place where you can study or work. It's a huge spacious area over here. So one thing which I love about Ghar Pe is if they are promising you something, they make sure that they give you that. This property which I'm going to show you right now is a girls PG, and this is under construction right now. That is, it is not fully done, but you can still get a glimpse of it. The interior, the rooms, the reception area, the gaming zone, everything you can get a glimpse of it, how it is going to look. So guys, just imagine abhi ye half ready hai. If half ready mein it looks so premium, how it will look when it will be like fully furnished and fully ready. So this property have dining space which have 4-time meals including breakfast, lunch, evening snacks and dinner. We also have chill zone area which have foosball, carom, gaming area. You can watch TV, watch IPL also. You have dedicated gym area also. So everything is sorted in this property. You will feel like you are staying at a hotel, not at a PG, because Ghar Pe makes you feel like that. It gives you that premium like feeling. Now let's talk about heart of your stay, your room. Because let's be real, if you're leaving your house, especially a room, and coming to a new city, of course you will be looking for somewhere where you can feel like home. The room where you can be yourself, right? Ghar Pe understands that very well. That's why they have designed rooms specially for you, which will offer all those things that you will get at your home, and you won't feel like you are leaving your home and coming to some different place to stay, because Ghar Pe means second home. So Ghar Pe has different options available based on your preferences. I'm going to show you few of them, but first let's check out this double sharing room which we have. So we have this double sharing room which comes with 2 separate bed over here. You can see 2 separate bed with this cushiony material for your backrest so that you don't get back pain when you're sitting and watching something. And then there's a clean sheet mattress is there. So bed sheet, cushion, mattress, everything is already provided to you. You just need to come and shift over here. So you don't need to pack anything and bring from your home. Let's talk about this mattress, which is very soft and comfortable, and I mean it guys, I'm not bragging about it, but this is actually really good. You can come and test this also. Let's talk about this premium quality furniture which they have used. This is a very good quality furniture which they have used. Usually in PGs they don't seem to invest so much in furniture or other things, but this PG is very premium, and you can judge by the video also, and you can come and check it out also. We also have 2 separate study table over here. One is this and one is that. So you can catch it as study table also or work from home setup also. Let's talk about this premium quality chair which they have used. So they don't use any kind of plastic chair or anything like that. When I say the word premium, I really mean it. You can see the quality of the chair, it's really good. It will not give you any back pain also. Over there we also have like a storage. You can keep your book if you want, or some home decor items, or anything you can keep over there. So one storage is over there and a separate storage is over there also. Now we also have this full size wardrobe. You can see there's a big full size wardrobe. This is one for you and one for your roommate. Ample amount of storage is there. Locker is also provided to keep your valuable things. The quality of this wardrobe is also really good. The best thing which I personally like as a girl is this mirror, because let's be real girl, mirror is girl's best friend, and when you have this big mirror, you know you are getting that OOTD picture, hashtag OOTD picture every day when you are going out for your work or you're going out to college. Also we have like a drawer over here to keep your skincare, makeup, or things organized over here. Plug point is also provided just right next to your bed, so that you can charge your phone also. You don't need to charge over there and stand for long. A big window with proper ventilation is provided. Mosquito net is also provided over here. So if you are looking for a room and you want a city view kind of room and want a room which is near roadside, then this room and this PG is perfect for you. Also, did I mention that this PG is just 2 minutes walking distance from Christ University? Yes, you heard it right. This PG is just walking distance from Christ, so you don't have to worry about transportation and all. Everything is already sorted. So transportation be sorted, stay be sorted. Just book your slots, yaar. So according to my checklist, the washrooms should be clean, hygienic, and also a little bit hotel-like. So let's check this washroom. Okay, it is actually matching my checklist, guys. As you can see, premium quality of wash basin over here, and the marble over here is really good. The shower, everything they have used really premium fittings. Now I'm going to show you another type of room which is also double sharing but with a twist. So if you remember previous room which I showed you, it was of a city view, like just in case if you're looking for something roadside or a city view kind of room. But this room got an option for the calmer view, like just in case if you want some greenery and if you want to stay away from roadside, if you don't want a city view, then this room is perfect for you. We also have AC over here. Yes, PGs do offer AC, as you can see. We have this mirror over here, plug point right next to your bed. One thing which I forgot to highlight is we have this side table over here, as you can see, to keep your phone or water bottle or anything if you want, you can keep it over there. We have joint study table with 2 separate chairs over here, so that you and your roomie can study or work together over here, and the storage is also available. Let's talk about the marbles. As you can see, they have used very premium quality marbles and they have not compromised a bit when it comes to quality. Okay, now let's talk about private room, because I understand few of them, they don't want to share their private time or their room with anyone else. I totally get it. In fact, not only me, Ghar Pe also gets it. That's why they have also came up with preferences for you if you want to go for the private room option. So I'm going to show you 2 different private rooms. Let's start with this one. As you can see, there is a king size bed over here. The huge bed, ample amount of space is there. Pillow cover is provided, clean sheet, soft and comfortable mattress, which is really soft and comfortable. Comes along with this cushiony headrest or backrest, you can say. Next up we have this huge window with proper ventilation. As you can see, the blackout curtains is also provided. We have this dedicated study table for you, as you can see, which comes along with premium quality chair. The chair is still new, waiting for you to use it. Now this is second room, which comes along with sofa, as you can see. guys, now that I have shown you different kinds of room, whether it's double sharing, private room, you know all the preferences you want, you will get over here. So you just need to WhatsApp or call us in this giving number, and we will share all the details that you need. Also, one more thing, we have PGs available all over in Bangalore, whether it's in Koramangala, HSR, Marathalli, Whitefield, anywhere, like anywhere you're looking PG, you can just contact us and we will share all the details that you need. We have PGs for boys, girls, and also for co-living. Whether you're a student or working professional, everything is sorted with us. Stay fit, stay healthy, and stay with Ghar Pe.